relative humidity was 93%. The wind was south at 17 miles an hour. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, Mississippi Sound, North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles northwest of Horn Island to 21 nautical miles east of Chandeleur Sound to 11 nautical miles east of Pilottown, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Gaillard Island, Pinto Island, Sand Island Lighthouse, Secour Bay, Farewell Buoy, Middle Bay Light, Mississippi Sound east of Pascagoula, Battleship Park, Central Dauphin Island and Dauphin Island Bridge. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Alabama and the adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until midnight Central Daylight Time Wednesday for the following marine locations: North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, Mississippi Sound, Alabama, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles east of Fort Morgan, or 10 miles west of Gulf Shores, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Secour around 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Foley and Magnolia Springs around 10:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Somerdale and Alberta around 10:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Robertsdale and Silver Hill around 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Baldwin, Alabama. The following weather reports were made at 10 p.m.